Hello Topic Programmers and welcome back to another great video. This is a two-part series where I'll showcase the unboxing experience in today's video. Then in the next video I'll showcase the building process of it. Before we get started though, please make sure you're subscribed to not miss any future videos, as well as part 2 of this series, which will be linked down in the description when it inevitably gets published. And also share this video with a friend who might find this interesting. With that out of the way, we can get started. So if we go ahead and open the box of our robot car starting kit, we are welcomed by the 4 wheels as well as the 4 different independent motors. If we take things a little further, we can find our instruction booklet, which includes all the instructions on how to build and code this car. Taking it even further, we are greeted by the guts of our car. First thing we can see is the battery holder for the 18650 lithium-ion cells, which are included in this kit. The next bag, if we take it out, open it up, we can find another little baggie, some pin jumpers in it. Next thing in that little bag is the Wi-Fi module with the ESP12S Wi-Fi chip. I'll leave a link down in the description which will explain more on what this chip is and what its capabilities are. With that out of the way, let's set aside and pick up the next bag. This, if we open it up, is the IR tracker, which tracks infrared light. This is not going to be used in this video, so we can go ahead and set this aside for now. This package, if we open it up, we don't even have to open it up right now. This package has the HC module, whatever that is, the IR receiver, the IR transmitter, the voltage meter, obstacle sensor, and a buzzer. Sounds cool. Can't wait to start building with these. The next bag just has a basic Arduino Uno in it. Nothing too interesting. You've seen that before. This bag, if we go ahead, open it up with the motor driver module, which will control the 4 independent motors to the 4 independent wheels. We're almost done. This bag has all the different screws and fasteners inside of it. We'll set that aside for now. Then we have the ultrasonic sensor, the IR remote, the servo motor, and the wires and cables. The structure for what we will build the car from, as well as a charger for the 18650 battery cells. With all that out of the way, I think it's safe to say we can start building. But not in today's video, next video. But, we've run out of time in this video, so as always, all code and instructions will be linked down below in the description. I'll also leave an Amazon link down below to go purchase one of these kits for yourself, so you can follow along in the next video. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure you're subscribed to not miss the next video, which will showcase the building and coding process of this robot car for the Arduino. Thanks for watching.